So welcome back to a new episode. This is a beginner tutorial. I'm going first to play, then show you the tutorial. So you make sure you watch to the end for you to get the tutorial. So this is how we play the melody. From 1, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4. Again. 1. I'm adding the bass. So 1, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4. 5, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4. Let's do it again. So 1, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4. Again, slowly. With the beat now, slowly.